So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It has 7 clear plastic divider. This is amazing. Look, it comes with cards. Awesome. Let's assemble it up. You can see the arrangement of the USB right over there, and this is for the AC adapter. And when you open it, so you can just take this. It's clear film, so absolutely beautiful, and all you just do is just clip it in there. So once we've assembled it up, this is what it looks like. And you can put iPhones, you can put tablets. I'm going to take the iPhone one. I know this is an iPhone. Plug it in there. Let's put it like that, and I'm just going to put it into the smart charger. So I'm going to turn it on. Once it turns on, it has a Blu-ray lighting. My phone is showing that it's charging. So you see the charging sign. It is showing that it's charging, and this is the cord that didn't come with it. So let's test to see if it works. That is charging right over there. You can see it charging. So this is absolutely beautiful. I love that I can organize all my equipment and charge them in this charging station.